What's going on, guys? Trey May 10 here, and I've got my mystery pack for the month of September, and we will go ahead and get it cracking. Number one is Excelsior, number 950. Onward and Upward. I have not seen this strap. It looks like we have some birds and some nice bold kind of like paint splashes or splatters, little gold veins. Interesting. I have not seen this one. Excelsior. Very cool. Maybe that's going to be released soon. And then our second one, we have Everyone is Special, number 202. When you're feeling like you don't fit in, just remember this: everyone else feels the same way. And it's like a bunch of unique fishes. I like that concept, because there is so many different types of fish out in the sea. So many different types of people. And then our last one, it looks like we got a Whitestar, number 428, Always Forward. Any sufficiently advanced technology is equivalent to magic. Arthur C. Clarke. I'm liking the art style of this, and so I don't know, at the bottom here we've got like ink and quill, and then there's like a color TV and some sort of plants, and then a plane taking off into the sky. I like this one. And then the inside's kind of like the back of the card, Always Forward. Yeah. I'm not sure which artist this is, but I always like their designs. I can tell who it is. I have some others like this. This is definitely my favorite out of this bunch. Awesome. We got another Whitestar again, finally. Sweet. Well, that will conclude this unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next month.